So in this video, I will show you how to add social share button in WordPress without plugin. So now I will show you the easiest way to do it. First of all, you have to open this website elfsite.com, and if you're first time in this website, make sure to sign up, create a free account. Once you successfully signed in, now go to widget section, and in the search widget box you have to type here social share, and here you will find the widget social share button. Just click on this widget, and now you will jump into the widget template page. Here we can see bunch of social share buttons template are showing up. You can go ahead and select any of them. So in my case, I'm going to select this first option and just clicking on continue with this template, and then we can see the option to edit social share buttons. So currently Facebook and Twitter are added. If you want to add more social media, just click on add button, and now from these available buttons you can go ahead and select buttons. And to remove this more button, just disable this option. So let's add another social. Okay, then go to layout section, and here you can change layout inline or floating, and you can also, if you want, you can hide social text from here, and go ahead and customize. Go to style, and from here you will be able to change any specific icon color. Now just click on add to website for free, and here click on publish, and now here select this free plan, and then here a code will be generated for your social share button widget. All you have to need, copy this code from here, and then go to your WordPress admin dashboard, and now to add the social share button widget for your entire website, then go to appearance and just click on theme file editor, and here you have to open the header.php file. So open this file, and now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom of this code you have to paste your widget code, and just click on update file. And now I'm going to opening my website. Now the social share buttons widget will be visible to your entire WordPress website, just like so. I'm going to blog page. Here we can see the widget, and opening a single post, and also here we can see the widget. For example, I want to share this post to my Twitter, so I'm just clicking on Twitter, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now you can also add the social share widget to your sidebar. To do that, you have to go to appearance and click on widget, and now for example, I want to add social share buttons widget in my default sidebar. So here's I'm just clicking on add block and selecting custom HTML and pasting my code here, clicking on update, and going to my website again, and now as you can see, the social share button widget added in my sidebar. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.